Guitar parts, true or false? We will name a part on the guitar and give you a few seconds to decide if it is true or false. Ready? Let's go! This is the body of the guitar. This is true. That is a pickguard. This is false. This is called the bridge. This is the saddle located on the bridge. This is true. This is the neck. This is false. That is a pickguard. This is called the nut. This is true. They call this the headstock. This is true. We call this the chin rest. This is false. This is called the neck. These are called tuning machines. This is true. If you enjoyed this video, we ask that you like and subscribe to our channel.